The subject is logic. These are the main questions. Proposition, definition of proposition, proposition is a statement which is either true or false. Proposition is a true when it represents a fact, when it is false when it does not. Next is the modern classification of proposition. There are three propositions: simple, compound and general. In simple, there are four types: subjectless proposition, subject predicate proposition, class membership proposition, relational proposition. So in subjectless proposition, here the propositions which are not expressed fully or which don't have a logical subject, means there is a no meaning, this is known as subjectless proposition. Fire, snake. In subject predicate, there is something meaning is present in that sentence. Ganga is a pure. Shivaji Maharaj was a brave. The proposition which states that an individual possesses some quality, there is some feature, is known as a subject predicate proposition. And with that you have to write the symbol, it's S-P. In class membership, the proposition which asserts that an individual is a member of a certain class. In this, the certain class is expressed in the sentence. Arjun was a warrior, so here the warrior is a class. Sachin is a cricketer, so cricketer is a class. In relational proposition, there is something, relation is present in sentence. Ram is the husband of Sita. Ram defeating Ravan. The proposition which asserts that there is a relation between the terms of proposition is known as relational proposition. So here we have completed the four types of proposition of simple proposition. Next is compound proposition. When two or more single propositions are combined together, we get a compound proposition. In that there are five types. First is conjunctive proposition. Conjunctive proposition is a logical proposition which is formed by combining two simple propositions with a logical connective and. Means when in sentence and is present, then it's conjunctive proposition. Symbol of conjunctive proposition. Now here Sanjay is a doctor and social worker. So and is present, so it's a conjunctive proposition and it's truth table. Next is disjunctive proposition. Here if or either or is present in sentence, then it's a disjunctive proposition. She is a dancer or she is an actress. Symbol of conjunctive proposition, and this is the truth table. Next is implicative proposition. If then is present in the sentence, then it's an implicative proposition. Symbol and truth table. Equivalent proposition or double implicative proposition. So here if and only if is present, then it is called as equivalent proposition or double implicative proposition. If and only if an animal is a mammal, then it breastfeeds its young ones. It's truth table. And last is the negative or contradictory proposition. When not is present in sentence, then it's contradictory proposition. So words like it is not the case, it is not so, it is not true, it is false, not, these all stands for negation. If these all are words present, then it is considered as a negative or a contradictory proposition, and this is the truth table. So here we have completed the basic concepts which are very important for the logic. Questions are asked in the exam. What is the definition, or explain the different types of proposition, modern classification of proposition. In the next video we will learn to the another chapter of the logic.